Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making oven roasted potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 6 russet potatoes, peeled and cut, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt divided. Okay guys, to a pot of water, you want to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and you want to let the water come to a boil. Once your water begins to boil, all you want to do is start to add in your potatoes. Allow them to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you want to remove your potatoes, and you want to get a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and just sit them on top of that. Let them sit there for 5 minutes until they dry off. Remember, we're going to let them sit for 5 minutes. Now in a small bowl, you want to add in your melted butter, your minced garlic, your salt, onion powder, ground black pepper, parsley flakes, thyme, your onion powder, and also your paprika. And all we're going to do is whisk that together until everything is well combined. Now you want to place your potatoes on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. Now I'm going to take my 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm just going to drizzle it over top of our potatoes. Now all you want to do is mix it in so all your potatoes will be covered. Okay, now you want to take your seasoning mixture. It would probably be easier if you put a rubber glove on. We're going to take it. We're going to put it through our potatoes. And all we're going to do is mix it in, and you want to make sure all your potatoes are nicely coated. Okay guys, as you can see, all our potatoes are coated. So you want to set your oven to 400 degrees. And we're going to allow them to cook for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our oven roasted potatoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.